Watch him there, brother.
Oh yeah.
We need to kill the left side as well, guys.
Let's go and wait a minute for the debuffs to fall off, though, so it doesn't happen again. All right, we're going.
No, the trash doesn't do
Yeah,
anything
it
with the
does.
debuff.
Yeah,
Yes,
they
it
do.
does.
It gives you a
They do.
debuff, but I don't think it sleeps you, no?
It gives you. He has 15 minutes again. the guy
Yes,
that
yes.
died.
If you die, you get the debuff, but the
Yeah, yeah.
debuff does nothing. Because the
True.
debuff is if you touch the boss, you get slept for 2 minutes.
Yeah, someone just got the debuff though.
Yeah, that's fine.
From dying.
That's unlucky.
It's a
you can't
rogue anyway,
avoid,
so
bro.
who cares? It's not,
But you
not a
can't
useful
avoid it,
class.
he's right. Like, if you pull this or you don't, the buff itself doesn't harm you, and you're gonna get it even if you
Yes.
drop it, so it doesn't change much. Just don't die. Find it.
Okay, listen
How
up
do you
now.
position the casters? Yeah, I'm sorry, I wasn't here. Like, I'm asking the guy talking. Where do you usually position casters? Do you stay
I'll go
left
through
or you-
everything. Don't worry about
Okay,
it.
good.
So healers, you can jump up on this pillar. I'm not exactly how you get up, but you can jump up on this pillar.
I can
And you
show you
won't-
guys.
And you won't get slept, okay? But just healers, not casters, because the cloud needs to go for someone. All the casters, you stand on this side, like around here, where the pillar is, spread out loosely here. I'm gonna tank the boss here, going along this pillar. Yes.
Right, that's a
So
sword,
you
bro.
guys stand on the left side. Malays, you stand on the left side as well. Most important on this boss, yeah, is that at 75, 50, and 25%, he stuns everyone, spawns a black clone out of every single one, and that will go to the boss and heal the boss. We don't care that it heals the boss, okay? It will just heal the boss to full 3 times, so we're just gonna kill it 3 times. It doesn't matter. What's most important here? What you mean, what?
No, what do you mean it's gonna
Can you-
heal the boss 3 times and we're gonna kill it 3 times?
That's
We
what it
can
means, bro.
wipe-
Okay, we were gonna take it to 75%. We're all gonna get stunned. All these black clones are gonna go into the boss, heal the boss to full. We cannot do
Yeah.
anything to stop this. Well, we can, but it's too
Okay.
annoying. And we have the DPS
Okay.
to just ignore this mechanic.
Can you show where melee
then-
stands?
Melee stands on this side of the boss.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so we stand like here.
And then we take it to 50%. We all get stunned again. All these black clones spawn one more time, heal the boss to full. And then we take the boss to 25%, and it happens again.
Okay.
But it won't happen 2
Okay.
times at 75%, right? It will only happen once at 75, once at 25, once at 50. It's most important that is when the stun happens at the 25, 50, and 75%, it stuns literally everyone, right? So we need to have cooldowns ready then. I'll use Last Stand for the first one. I'll use Shield Wall for the second one. And then for the third one, I'm gonna need a warrior to taunt and shield wall.
Yeah,
And
just
and
call it out and
up
tell
and have hots on you from
Yes,
yours.
when
Yeah.
the boss is at like 78%, or basically when the boss hits 75%, you need to priest shield me and have full hots going on me. This is why I want you to give me a Titans, but it's fine.
You should
And,
ask
your
people to
Valor.
unboon.
I don't have, bro. I would give
Not
him
on me, no.
You want shadow resistance or Devo aura?
The devotion.
I will, bro. God mode will just let me know.
Okay, I'll let you know, God mode. Okay.
Yes. Listen,
So
I have a
this
question. You want
boss,
me-
yeah, it's all about control. If all healers can't make it up there, it's fine. Just make sure we have some healers up there. Some of you can
Sorry.
stand down here. You don't want to stand in front of the boss because you will get pressed.
So sorry, when
Yes.
I'm counting off you, you want me to be on the ramp or perpendicular to you or like whatever you call
Well,
it?
it depends. It depends on where the shadow bolts are. I'll call the turnarounds for you.
Okay, you know, my question is there is no specific spot for me to stay on, right? Like just
No,
like
we're
opposite of you.
tanking it
Yeah,
like
yeah.
this, right? And then
I
when the
know.
shadow bolts is off his left side, we stand like this. When it's off the right side, we move like this, and then it's
Yeah.
doesn't hit the
Okay,
right.
okay. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Just call it out. I'll count for you anytime you want.
Listen.
Get
Can you
full
go one more time through the tactics? One more time. From
Okay.
the start.
Listen now. Okay. It's a dragon. Don't stand in front. Don't stand behind. can see breath and tail swipes. So that's just the basic tank mechanic. I'm tanking it. Like the people that are standing here, you guys will hit my breath, by the way, just so you know. I'm gonna tank the boss here, going like this. So this is him. This is his sides. And then at 20 or like every 3 seconds or something, he shoots out a shadow bolt volley out of one of his sides, either left or right side. And then we just turn the boss depending on which side he's shooting it out from. Okay, that's a tank mechanic. You don't need to worry about that. He puts a stacking debuff on the tank that has increased damage taking all dot, right? So it just heal through this. It's whatever. The other negative side doesn't work. And then at 25%, every 25% I'm in, so 75, 50, 25. Great shadow protection doesn't matter. He stuns every single one in the raid for 3 seconds, and he spawns a shadow clone out of your body. These shadow clones will run into the boss and heal the boss. You can... There's 2 ways to deal with this. One way is just completely ignore it, let the boss heal. That's what we're gonna do. So, yeah, don't need to explain the other tactic. That's it.
Can I say something interrupting? Sorry, look at the green mark. There's gonna be green cloud casters. It's gonna move on the ground, chasing like a person.
Yeah.
Move away from it and don't go on top of the healers. Look at the healers. That's cool. Stay away from them. Like, where is cool? Here, look at the green. Never go close if you're caster. Move to Uganda, die alone, but don't go on top of the healers.
I mean, I see a caster up here.
He shoot suicide. Insta. Down, bro.
Yeah, no casters stay up there.
Robso, move down.
It is not a
I see a
DPS
little
ref.
gnome.
Anyways, let's give it a shot, yeah?
Hey, Robso, move down, moron.
Yeah, we only have 33 people on Discord.
It's whatever.
Maybe he thinks that
Well-
SRB when mages heal. I don't know.
When the boss dies and we roll for loot, make sure people are in Discord or don't give them the fucking loot.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Okay,
We just
I'm
look
going-
at him. No
Do
problem.
not touch the boss until I have it in position, guys. It's not a DPS trade.
I'm coming to Sunder, but not touching.
Okay, let's do it.
Shield on threat. I have to shield or use shield on this boss, guys.
Watch your fucking threat, and that's all, yeah.
Okay. I use last stand now.
I'm
Push
set.
it over. Stunned everyone now. Just
Heals
stabilize
Sasori.
now. Heal Sasori, that's everything you need to worry about. Just let all the shades go into the boss. And now you keep blasting again.
You're doing great, dude. Leading.
Just fast question, sorry. When it hits Shadow Bot, then you know it's a bad Shadow Bot and you turn the boss, right? When they're in the air, you know you need to turn on.
Well, yeah. But now I know there's one more Shadow Bolt wave and then I need to turn it. Because it's every 4 wave.
So, Millie, you can stand further away.
Inner bed on Balthar?
I'm slept for 4 seconds. Heals for me.
Call out if you want me to do anything, because I won't.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Please use mana potions if you have them. Other people are consuming too.
Okay, I use shield wall. We need to push it now.
Yeah, healers use your dark
Good.
runes.
I will
me-
be fine. I will be fine.
Millie, you can bandage.
Stay alive. Focus on being alive. We're halfway done.
Big heal.
And all healers have cloud.
Yeah, I would just move down and spread at this point, honestly.
It's gone, it's gone.
It's gone.
Remember, World Boss loot you cannot trade, so you can't give it to people and trade it.
Do we have any innervates? Druids, use your innervates.
No, we don't.
Okay.
You're the Dragon Slayer.
Listen up now, I'm God mod, yeah?
Yeah.
You're gonna taunt it off me.
Mm-hmm.
Just taunt it.
I can't. I got knocked the moment you
Yeah,
said.
okay.
I'm a retard. Heal, sorry.
I'm dead.
I'm coming
Yeah,
down
heal
to
it.
it.
Okay, heal God mod now. Just face it that way. Go a little bit more to your left. Little bit to your left. Left. The other left. There you go. You're not back. Don't backpedal. Go a little more to your left. Just on the hitbox. Okay, use your shield wall and last stand now. And go through the boss, God mod.
Nice stunt.
Just go through the boss instantly,
Stunt,
okay?
stunt. Yeah.
If you're
I'm
shadow
already-
bolting the raid. Perfect. Now it's all about stabilizing. Just stabilize everyone and make sure
Yeah,
I'm
melee
God
heal
mod doesn't
yourselves.
die.
Melee,
Now we
Wait,
got
a
heal
health
Heal-
yourself.
pot. Health
Heal-
pot
I'm God mod.
bandage.
Heal God mod.
And pop toe I have.
Do we have any combat
Turn the
res
boss.
for?
Go through the boss. Go through the boss. You cannot combat rest. There's no reason to combat rest.
Okay.
Just tank with one hand shield and armor portion out, and you should be fine. You're good on threats. Turn the boss again.
Warlock, use Shadow Ward if you have it. It's really good.
Stay alive.
Turn the boss.
Did someone put clap on boss? Never mind, it's up.
It's good turn, right? Or I move left a bit. I can't really say.
No, this is fine. Turn the boss.
He'll got more than turning soon, right?
No,
Come on, guys, push.
There's no more stunts. You can turn the boss. There's no more stunts. This is it until the boss
No,
is
I
done.
asked if I should turn, but then you said there's
Oh,
no more.
yeah,
turn.
okay.
The boss, so you answered to my question. It's fine.
Well, he came and carried.
We can
Turn.
tank the life, boys, and we're fine.
Turn the boss. Turn the boss.
I can't. I'm stunned. Sleeped
just-
or whatever. There is cloud or
Turn it.
something.
Oh
There's
my
one
god.
warrior. Pick up that. One hunter. Kite that shit away. Just take it away.
Nico's
One
has
warrior.
it.
Pick it up. One warrior. Pick it up. Get it away. Just you need to get it this away. Just cut it away. The boss is gonna die any second now. This.
Gamers, sorry, baby.
Turn the boss. Turn the boss. Turn
I
the boss.
can't. I'm slept. I will insta when it's over.
I'll help you.
Druid taunted. Heal the druid. It taunt resisted. Keep it on the druid. Keep it on the druid. Keep it on the
Yeah.
druid.
You can turn the boss.
Come on.
Gamers,
Oh
Yes.
my
Yes.
god, bro!
Yes!
Fucking hell.
Go kill the dragon. There's still trash.
That's
on
Yeah,
how you
kill
rate
the
me.
dragon, kill the dragon.
Just
Kill
kill
the
the
dragon.
dragon.
Sorry, I'll call you Georgi from now on, brother. Dragons.
Kill the dragon.
Kill the dragon first.
You can rescue after if you release as well.
This ring is nature res and stamina. It's complete
Yeah.
bullshit. You will never use this.
I mean, you can use an EQ, but it's decent for a AQ for melee. But
Oh, yeah. I can't see
You know what? This was so much fun, dude. That last raid leader.
yeah, you're the man, bro. What the fuck?
Really good.
Truly the
job.
carry. Thank you so much.
You
Tell us
sound,
the
you
story.
sound like a Swedish Jack Black, you know, from Tenacious D. I don't know. Check it out later.
No, I'm not.
Bro, he doesn't sound Swedish at all.
Can I get a storming portal, please? I am not going Emirates with a trade chat, mate. I'm just saying that.
So sorry, take the bracer if you care, bro. I don't.
No, I don't. Don't care about the bracers.
I don't care, but I'm hurting out.
Is
Yeah,
is
kind of shit
Amaris
loot.
up?
Shit loot, bro. What the fuck? This was
Yeah,
not
the
worth
loot was
staying around
crap.
for 8-9 wipes. What the fuck?
Is Amaris up? Still?
Oh my god, look at those rolls.
Emirates is up in the hinterlands, but I am not going there.
Me
Alright,
neither.
come on, let's do it.
I'm gonna bed.
Emirates is a horrible boss. Well, it's
Yeah,
fine with
I
8
know.
priests, but it's ICB.
Yeah, it's kind of a bitch.